Hey, little.
Jobs and occupation. Hi, I am doctor. A doctor treats patients.
Hi, I am teacher. A teacher educates students.
Hi, I am businessman. A businessman manages a company.
Hi, I am engineer. An engineer designs structures.
Hi, I am soldier. A soldier protects the nation.
Hi, I am boxer. A boxer playing boxing matches. Hi, I am electrician. An electrician installs wiring.
Hi, I am nurse. A nurse cares for the sick.
Hi, I am architect. Architect designs buildings.
Hi, I am chef. A chef cooks meals.
Hi, I am farmer. A farmer grows crops.
Hi, I am firefighter. A firefighter extinguishes fires.
Hi, I am scientist. A scientist conducts experiments.
Hi, I am pilot. A pilot flies airplanes.
Hi, I am air hostess. An air hostess welcomes passengers.
Hi, I am tailor. A tailor stitches clothes.
Hi, I am magician. A magician performs tricks and creates illusions.
Hi, I am veterinarian. A veterinarian treats sick pets.
Hi, I am dentist. A dentist fixes teeth.
Hi, I am police officer. A police officer maintains law and order.
Hi, I am carpenter. A carpenter builds furniture.
Hi, I am judge. A judge gives justice and verdicts.
Hi, I am astronaut. An astronaut explores space.
Hi, I am accountant. An accountant keeps financial records.
Hi, I am bodybuilder. A bodybuilder builds muscles.
Hi, I am lawyer. A lawyer defends clients.
Hi, I am fashion designer. A fashion designer creates clothing.
Hi, I am plumber. A plumber fixes pipes.
Hi, I am yoga instructor. A yoga instructor guides meditation.
Hi, I am singer. Singer entertains with songs.
Hi, I'm gardener. A gardener takes care of plants.
Hi, I am mechanic. A mechanic repairs vehicles.
Hi, I am construction worker. A construction worker builds structures.
Hi, I am actor. An actor performs in movies.
Hi, I am delivery boy. A delivery boy brings packages.
Hi, I am artist. An artist creates creativity.
Hi, I am cleaner. A cleaner maintains the cleanliness.
Hi, I am journalist. A journalist reports news.
Hi, I am performer. A performer entertains audiences.
Hi, I am musician. A musician plays instruments.
Hi, I am taxi driver. A taxi driver gives rides.
Hi, I am waiter. A waiter serves food.
Hi, I am shoemaker. A shoemaker crafts and repairs shoes.
Hi, I am milkman. A milkman delivers fresh milk.
Hi, I am photographer. A photographer captures images.
Hi, I am computer programmer. A computer programmer writes code.
Hi, I am security guard. A security guard protects property.
Hi, I am football player. A football player plays football matches.
Hi, I am tour guide. A tour guide leads travelers.
Hi, I am banker. A banker manages money.
Hi, I am data analyst. A data analyst interprets information.
Hi, I am karate instructor. A karate instructor teaches self-defense.
Hi, I am hairdresser. A hairdresser cuts and styles hair. Hi, I am real estate agent. A real estate agent sells properties.
Hi, I am translator. A translator converts languages.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And press the bell icon.